by the way, at the 6.5 Summit, announced, a powerful new observability solution. I had the chance to talk to CEO Rob Bearden on the 6.5 Summit, and on the day of, they put out a press release. Isn't it cool that the 6.5 Summit is becoming a product launch platform?
I do. I love that. I love that so much.
And really what they announced was a SaaS tool that provides telemetry data and gives visibility into the performance and health of the Cloudera environment. So in an era of observability, Cloudera 2 is launching an observability platform. So, it's basically all about customers being able to monitor and optimize their platform. With the era of AI growing, and by the way, Cloudera having something like 50 times the data, 50 times the data of Snowflake or something under management. It's a huge amount. It's a huge amount of data under management. And they're going to be able to use this to basically now optimize the data platform, deal with financial governance, system monitoring, service health monitoring, workload optimization, what else? Self-service analytics, and issue resolution. Now, this is focused on the Cloudera data environment. So this is not observability in the sense of like the observability that's looking at a whole IT architecture and ecosystem. This is basically saying you may have petabytes of data in your business under management, and all this data is influential to how apps run, how infrastructure is performing and such. So it's working inside the Cloudera data environment to provide observability, so that you can use Cloudera and find issues, root causes, support requests. I thought this was a good ad, Pat. I mean, this was a good additional capability. Their roadmap has been very innovative for a company that sometimes doesn't get credit for being innovative. They've been showing predictive, AI focused stuff, Pat, AI and ML. By the way, another company that's been doing this for a really long time. It's not like a new thing there, but predictive tuning, automated metadata, intelligent troubleshooting, cost predictions, and capacity. So these are things that they're doing and building around the observability platform. And I think the observability platform is giving customers more of a reason to stay. And I think for Cloudera, that's got to be a big focus with all the hyperscale cloud provider data solutions, with all the born on cloud, is they need to make sure they're compelling the market and the customers that have been building for a long time on Cloudera to stay on Cloudera. And I think this observability solution gives more ammo to keep the customers on the platform.
Sorry, folks. Sorry, audience. 2 dogs just barking away. My apologies. No, listen, first of all, observability is all the rage, and that's because of the fractalization of infrastructure and applications. There was a day that all data, applications, and infrastructure was in one place, and you kind of knew if that, that mini computer or mainframe or even x86 server application went awry, you knew where the problem was. But now we've got applications that utilize 12 different APIs that all have to come together. We have infrastructure in the on-prem, public cloud, on the edge, multiple IaaS providers, and you need to figure out what the heck is going on. Heck, there could be something going on in your device at the endpoint that is a problem. So it's all the rage. One of the areas that people haven't invested a lot in is observability for data management, and that's exactly what Cloudera is doing here. They're looking at it from a security point of view, right? You can run up a ton of, you can clog up an entire database with some rogue application hitting it a million times. The second thing you can do is you can spot a security issue. The cost management point of view as well. In the future, I fully expect them to join some observability interoperability group to be able to work cross every observability to make it easier for the enterprise to stitch all those observability packages together.